Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change camera settings on Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here guys, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now guys, click on camera. So guys, you can add a network camera, you can search for cameras, and also guys you can change camera privacy setting from here. You can turn on and turn off, and also guys you can allow camera for particular applications and programs. And in HD webcam guys, you can troubleshoot if you have any problem. And also guys you can change brightness, contrast and sharpness. So this is the easy and quick way guys to change camera settings and webcam settings in Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.